My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam associated with the website Defender-scanning.xyz. Defender-scanning.xyz. This is the website that tries to trick you into subscribing to its intrusive and even more scary push notifications. It also displays pretty frustrating messages saying that your Windows is infected with viruses and other malicious applications. Viruses must be removed and the system damage repaired. However, this is a fake Windows Defender alert. It is not related to Windows Defender. This scary message has in mind to force people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. Even if the software that is promoted by means of these pop-ups is to some extent decent, we still condemn such illegal methods, because what these pop-ups by Defender-scanning.xyz try to do is the typical online scam. If people click on this renew license, they will be forwarded to some other deceptive website that may point to a totally different software. So there's something really misleading in all these pop-ups by Defender-scanning.xyz. So do not interact with them, do not trust them, do not tolerate them. They are not genuine Windows Defender alerts. Now, what you could do, first of all, is to check the control panel of the system, because sometimes the unusual activities of your browser may be explained by certain adware type program enabled in the computer. So, first of all, uninstall any programs that look suspicious. Simply get rid of them. Also, my strong recommendation is that you research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. It will help you to detect and delete other threats that could be possibly concealed on your computer. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and then start checking your device with its help to make sure that your system is free of any other concealed threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress, and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protected against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware. And, as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So, enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.